Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Okay, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you. No, I can't tell. It's really hard to tell which way my head is correctly. Right about there? What do you think? About like that? That better? This is Hans the Ramen Raider. This is another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something for rum. Ready? Nepal. This is from Nepal. This is Rumpum by Asia Thai Foods. Nepali food. So we got this. It's gonna go in there. And so what you do is you boil 225 milliliters of water. Take out the sachets. I think there's only two, right? No, there's three. I've done this one before, so this is kind of like an extra. This is an interesting one, though, and it came out of the, what do you call it? My ramen box. It's the first one I've ever reviewed. So yeah, you slap this in here and you cook it for 2 minutes. Along with the sachets. I haven't made this in a long time. God, I think I made this when we lived in Edmonds, which is a really long time ago. I think over 5 years. And I tell you what, this 2-bedroom is pretty small, but a 1-bedroom? Forget about it. And there we go. There's some goo. And put it back on for 2 minutes. I'll add the spicy packet too. Spicy. Little chili powder. It's funny, you can get this stuff in the US, and I never really expected you'd be able to. They've got other varieties. They've got ones with like movie tie-ins too. Oh, come on. There we go. 2 minutes. It's a cooking. No, it's a cooking. It's been a morning, let me tell you. It's, I know, I complain about my children a lot, but boy oh boy. Today was tough, because Mimi just doesn't want to stop talking, screaming, yelling, complaining. And it's come to kind of come to a head. We've got to do something, so it's going to be like, as soon as we feel like threatening to put her in timeout, we're just gonna do it. Which is no fun, because she'll scream like freaking bloody murder for often as long as she's in timeout. So, I know a lot of people have the rule, okay, well you can come out once you calm down. She just won't calm down. I don't know what to do. It's really like, at this point I'm like, this isn't good, but we'll figure it out. She is only 3, so she is in school for becoming an adult. That's what all kids are doing. It's basically the definition of kid. So, but on the bright side, she should be going to actual bona fide school soon, which is cool. All right. Whoa, that didn't go all that well. Here. Stirring, stirring. Are you getting all foggy there? Oh, you are. Put this over here. So it's like incredibly windy and rainy. And it's supposed to get worse. We got flood warnings up the wazoo. Now, you might go, oh wow, that's crazy. It's floods there? No, it does not flood here. But it floods upriver, that's for sure. And it floods bad. We've had lots of really crappy flooding, and it's really screwed people. Okay. Stir. So pretty much the broth is gone. It's a small amount of broth it calls for, 225 mils. And then you boil it for 2 minutes with the noodles. So let's see. Come on. Here's what we got. It's one of those days. It's just things don't seem to be working in my favor. And then I slept in. That's what always really... If I sleep too much, that like sets me up for a crummy day. Which usually it's like if people don't get enough sleep, then they have a crummy day. I get too much, I feel like crap. Yeah, it's not bad. We're gonna add some. I made some chicken. Boom, boom, boomity, boom. Oh, it's happening, Mimi. The sun's coming and going. That's the first sign of doom. Pick them up. I can't, I'm busy. You can help yourself, sweetie pie. No, when you say help, that means do it for me. She dropped her chips on the floor, and now she wants me to pick them all up. She's very capable of doing such a thing, so she can do it. See? You're on the ground? Oh my. You get on the floor all the time. Mimi, why don't you take care of it? You can do it. You're a big girl. Okay. She's a chatter. Alright. But yeah, it's like Papa wants a break. Papa wants a little vacation. And it sounds like there is the possibility I might be able to go visit a buddy's new restaurant that's opening up next month. Oh my God. Mimi, help yourself, please. Oh boy. Strangulations in your future, my dear. Oh, she is saying please, which I appreciate, but dude. Just over and over and over again. Over and over again. Well, I know she's listening. That's a good thing. Anyways. So here we are with the first bowl of the day. Yep, Mama put stickers on your dollhouse. Okay, let's rotate. John's the Ramen Raider, wishing you peace, quiet, and enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.